It looks like I'm gonna have to really work to get the rest of that adhesive off because it is on there, you know. But we'll get it cleaned up. Okay. So on this side, you can see that I already started pulling this away. You'll need to flip your mirror over like this and try to get some of that paper away so that you can see where your mirror and your frame connect. And then what you'll need to do is take either an X-Acto knife or like a flathead like I have here and go down beside the frame gently. You don't have to do it hard at all. You can pull the paper up and you can't really see anything, but you can feel it. Like for instance, I can go there with my nail. So you're only going to have to go very gently with that. Once you do that, this is just going to pull away from your mirror. It'll pull right away from it. See? And then you've got that part off. And you're going to do that to all 4 sides. So how many more you got? Five? You said 5? I said 4. I can't hear what you said. How do you get 5 out of 4? 4! I didn't hear you. You're chewing. Oh no! I broke my mirror. Okay guys, so I broke the mirror. And you got to be really careful or otherwise you'll break it. The back is really easy to get off. I was talking to my baby and I got a little excited. But anyway, I was thinking to get another mirror and just do this over, but I'm not. I have some wood here that I'm going to stain, and I'm just going to cut a piece and put it over the mirror like that, and I think it'll actually look nice. So we'll see. Okay, so this piece of wood I already had. I always have some stuff around because I'm always crafting. And where the break is across there, I'm gonna put this across it and stain it. So rather than me just having a completely frameless mirror like I wanted, I'll do this, and I think it'll look nice. So we'll see. And I'm also going to take this ruler here and measure this piece of wood. And I'm just going to make my line here so that I can cut it with an X-Acto knife. Just be very careful so you don't hurt yourself. Once you score it, you'll be able to get it to bend. See there? And then you can score it the rest of the way. Just be careful and take your time so you don't make mistakes or cut yourself. If I had been taking my time with this mirror, there's no way I would have broken it because it just was totally unnecessary. It's very easy to get that back off. See there? And you can kind of see the line there on the back of it where I didn't even cut. I'm just going to go over that a little it with my knife. And it comes right apart. And you can file that with a simple nail buffer or some sandpaper. But anyway, that is what I am going to use to cover up my mistake where I broke this mirror. I don't know why my camera won't focus. Jesus. So anyway, that is what I'm going to use to cover up my mistake where I broke this mirror. Because this is a lightweight wood, you can easily just file off these trimmings. Now you can use sandpaper. For this, I'm just going to use a regular kiss file here to knock that off. And that's it. Let me get this a little bit. But there you go. Now I'm thinking I should stain this and put it up, but I don't want to right now. So I'm just going to attach it to my mirror with some hot glue. If you want, you can use if you decide to do this. I mean, the only reason why I decided to do this is because I broke my mirror. But if you want to add some type of an embellishment to your frameless mirror, then yeah. Woo. If you get any excess glue on it, it'll come right off. So don't worry about that.